Welcome to our tutorial on how to move your contacts from a file to Gmail on your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open your web browser and go to gmail.com, your trusted platform for email management. Next, in the top right corner of the Gmail interface, click on the 9 dots icon to access Google Apps. From the drop-down menu, select Google Contacts to open your contact list within Gmail. Once you're in Google Contacts, direct your attention to the left-hand side and click on Import Download to start the import process. A window will appear prompting you to select File. Click on this option and choose the file containing the contacts you want to move to Gmail. Browse through your computer files, locate the desired contact file, and click Choose to select it for import. Finally, click on Import to transfer the contacts from the file into your Gmail contact list. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently move your contacts from a file to Gmail, ensuring that all your contact information is easily accessible and organized in one place. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to move your contacts from a file to Gmail. Stay tuned for more valuable tips and tricks to enhance your email management experience.